Hello YouTube, this is Hyphy and it's Hyphy on the Big Boy, and today I want to be treating how to shop on eBay from Nigeria. There are so many things you should check if you're a beginner on shopping on eBay so that you get your product. So I'm gonna be trying to make it fast, quick, and I'll be giving you as much information from my experience years of shopping on eBay as possible. So now the first thing, I have a checklist here. The first thing I want to show you is how to fast shop on eBay. You don't have to do much. You just go to ebay.com, and once you're there, you just search for the product you're looking for. In my case, let me search for Samsung S10. I don't think they were brand new S10s, to be honest, because I think they've sold out already. So let me just check for another product like JBL 305. These are speakers, these are studio monitors. So yeah, let's check this one. It says brand new. So this one says brand new and it's attractive to me. I feel like, should I buy it? So let me check the condition again. Description: new, brand new, used, unopened, good. So you can check other descriptions from here. Now, in order to see if it is good for you to buy to Nigeria, is my internet connected? Yeah. In order to see if it's good for you to buy to Nigeria, you need to check the seller information. 97.8% positive feedback. Well, not bad, but most of the time I like going for 99% feedback, and he has sold 19,000 items. So if you want more details on that, you can click this and check the comments, what people are saying when they... Oh, my internet is dead. So my Wi-Fi went off, but it's coming back on again. So you can check the person's seller information here to see if it's reputable or not, and then check the shipping. Does it ship to Nigeria? So this one is using USPS priority mail international shipping. Now this is one of the best shipping I recommend from eBay, because other shipping options might not be reliable. I'll tell you more about that later. USPS is from US Postal Service, but UPS is the private company for shipping. So this is one of the best shipping option I'll recommend if you see from United States, because it is cheaper than UPS, it's cheaper than DHL, way cheaper, and again you will get tracking number and you will stand a better chance of seeing your product. So this is a very good buy here. So I'll just press buy now, blah blah blah, and check out. So that's that. Now that's how to fast shop on eBay. The next thing I want to treat is economic shopping. So if you don't have money to pay for shipping and all that, let me search the product against JBL 305. So when I search the product again, if I don't have money to like waste on shipping, I'll just click on free international shipping. Okay, there's no product of free international shipping here. So let me look for Alexis, whatever. So let me click on free international shipping for this one. Yep, so it's already clicked. So this is an example of Alexis, something that offers free international shipping from Japan. Now, in my own experience, I wouldn't recommend you should buy a product this expensive. By the way, the seller number of sales is not that high like that. So let me check for a more reputable seller. 96% feedback. I'm not satisfied. I'm not seeing the right ratings of product here. Let me look for audio. So this one offers free international shipping. So let me see. This one has 98.6% positive feedback. Well, not bad. 717 sales. Not really bad, but again, so this is the shipping I want to treat here. Free expedited international shipping. Yeah, it's gonna be free, but I wouldn't want to spend $500 on the product and ship it for free, because you stand a very low chance of getting it in Nigeria. Nigeria is a very, let me not say the word, but you know, Nigeria is a very funny country. Things don't work around here. They scam people around here. So there's a high tendency that these companies ship this product to your post office, and then your post office, or before it gets to your post office, someone just steals it, or it just gets missing along the way. So don't use free international shipping. If you're shipping to Nigeria, or you, like, the chances of getting your products like 50-50 for real. I mean, at least in my own experience. So I would advise you to always make sure you have extra, waiting for extra before you go buy all these things, or else you stand a chance of getting your product maybe like 50 out of 100. So that's that. I want to talk about that. My first recommendation is to buy from US. USPS is like the most affordable and the most reliable. But then if they offer DHL shipping, sometimes some company offer DHL shipping in this shipping section, it's going to be expensive, but from my own experience, it's like the best because you have very valid tracking number. So you know exactly where your product is. When it's in the post office, you will know where it is. By the way, I don't think DHL delivers to the post office unless they don't see you in your location. So they'll deliver it to the post office. So that's that about that. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is checking sellers' credibility. I already went through that. So let me go into the more details about that. So top rated, trusted seller, fast shipping and easy returns. So is a trusted seller. And then you want to check the if there are comments on this. Okay, there's no comments on this particular product. Let me look at the comments, the feedback on the seller himself or herself or themselves. Okay, these are all feedbacks. So they are not speaking English. So good communication and shipping updates recommended. Shipping updates recommended. So basically, good sellers, thanks. Great item, fast shipping, nice experience. So you see, it's encouraging. You want to ship from them. Again, if you're buying from Nigeria, do not go to the seller with low reputation. I mean, you don't have much money to be experimenting, but if you do, you can go ahead and give it a try. Everybody needs an opportunity. And the next thing I want to talk about is checking product status. That's what I talked about earlier. Let me go back to this. So basically, checking product status is like when you go down, scroll down, you go to description, you check if it's brand new. Description, see all responsibility for listing, last update, a new brand new, and I'll use it. So basically, it is good, it is brand new, what we're trying to buy, and shipping and payment, blah blah blah. We already talked about those. So basically, this is where you check the product's credibility. And next thing you want to check, I want to talk about is shipping options and getting your product. So how do you get your products when you like follow all my rules? When you ship from US and you use USPS, for example, they'll deliver to the nearest post office. There's a high possibility you don't know where your product is, but it's like the first time I shipped, nobody told me this. I had to be looking up and down, messaging the seller that how do I get my product? Then they told me to check my nearest post office because the address you're going to enter for your shipping location won't be that valid. They won't deliver to that address. They only deliver to the nearest post office in that area. So then you have to go to your post office and ask them that you have a parcel waiting for you. I will advise you not to look like you don't know that you have a parcel because you can't trust anybody in this country. Like even the official things are not so official anymore. So basically that's why I say you should use USPS, because USPS will provide a tracking number that will make sure that you know where your product is. So once you get the tracking number, it's not as detailed as DHL. It's really not that detailed, but what I know is that USPS is more reputable. At least you know that if anything goes wrong, you will blame it on this post office. So you have the post office, you are waiting for your product, you come with your ID card or whatever identification you have, then you will tell them your name, they'll look for it and they'll give it to you. If it's not there yet, then you message the buyer, ask them where exactly it is, then they'll tell you. Now again, don't use free international shipping because sometimes, let me show you my own experience. For example, my eBay. Look, I didn't get so many of my products the last time I did, and it wasn't even like that before. And I told the seller the first time, he shipped it again the second time. We still didn't get it delivered to me. Purchase history. I think it happened back at 2017. Let me click for this example. For example, he shipped it 2 times. Where is it? View other details. So you can see the amount has been refunded. It's not the full amount, just half of the amount, because they sent it twice. I mean, up to now, I don't know where the products are. So basically, I will advise you not to use free international shipping. I've gotten products using free international shipping before. It took a long time. I've gotten it a couple of times back at 2016 or so. But the point was that, I don't know, it has to be 2016. It's not showing all the dates here. So the point was that you need to use USPS or DHL or UPS, but all those ones are expensive. USPS is the most preferable. So that's what I have to say about shipping and buying on eBay. So again, the recap of this video is search for what you're looking for. Click on any product that attracts you best. Anyway, search for what you're looking for. The recap of the video is search for what you're looking for. Click on any product that attracts you best. Check the seller credibility. Check the product's credibility. So it's ivtechbit.com. I hope this was helpful. I'll be uploading videos like this every Monday. Thanks for watching and peace out.